Hello everybody. Well, it has finally come time for me to replace my old 2018 Intel based 4K iMac with something new. So I just got back from JB and in this box is my new iMac, or our family's iMac. Okay, because my mum uses this device as well. Okay, so this one here is the silver version. It would have been nice if they had this in like a space black or a space grey, but apparently they don't, okay, which I think is quite disappointing. All right, so this one here is the baseline one. So this one has the dual USB-C ports and it has the keyboard with no Touch ID. And this one here is a 256 gigabyte model, okay? So, and I'm doing this on the bed because apparently I need the space because this is a very big box, okay? So on the front of the box, it shows the front of the screen. And on the back, it shows the back of the device, and on the side, it shows the side of the device. Okay, so this is the new design. This was introduced, I think, back in 2022, where Apple redesigned the iMac for the first time in a decade. So this is basically the 10th generation iMac, okay, or the iMac 10. Okay, the Intel one that I have, the 4K, is the iMac 9. Okay. So this is the box. Now with this box, unlike the older iMacs, you actually have to open it up laying it down. You can't stand it up because otherwise the device will be upside down. So this one you lay down. Alright, so let's get to opening it. So on the top we have our seal, which looks to be like paper, I think. So just peel this off. Okay, so this you just chuck in your recycling bin. Alright, let's just make sure that is in the camera, and we'll open the lid up. So here we go. Okay, and there is what's inside the box, and we do have a lot of cardboard. Okay, because all this is cardboard material. It's not plastic. Okay, and it does say hello on the screen. So so I do believe to get further, we've got to pull these out, just like that. And then this will drop open. Okay, and these parts here are coming apart. It's just all cardboard. Okay, and here we have the iMac, the device itself. Okay, so there's the iMac itself, all nicely wrapped here. So we'll just place him right there. And over here we have our mouse and our keyboard. Okay, so let's see what we get here. So here we have the Magic Mouse. Okay. So this is our Magic Mouse, okay, or Magic Mouse 2. Okay, so looks the same design as the one I've been using on the 4K iMac. Alright, so not much new there. Over here we get our Magic keyboard. Okay, and so this is the Magic keyboard without the Touch ID button. Okay, so this one does not have Touch ID, it just has a padlock button on there. So that's our keyboard right there. We also get a braided USB-C to Lightning cable, so we can actually charge the accessories. Okay, now this is a white cable. These are all the colours you get if you purchase the silver one. If you purchase blue, orange, red, green, or pink, it'll all be colour matched. Okay, so that's just like what we're seeing on the iPads now. So there's our cable. Okay, in here we have our power supply. Okay, and this is an external power supply, unlike the iMac that I've been using. And this is also a MagSafe device. So this one here just plugs into the back. So the cable is a MagSafe cable. So that's what that is. Okay, so that's our power supply there. So this is a first for an iMac. Okay, it's just wrapped in more paper. Okay. So there's the power supply right there. Okay, in here I think we have our literature. Okay, so let's take a look and see what we get here. So we get our literature. We do get a silver Apple sticker, which is quite interesting. So that's something we get. So the Apple sticker is actually silver, not white. I thought it would be white, but it's actually silver. Okay, so that's quite cool. So that's nice that we get a silver coloured Apple sticker, not a white one. Okay, so that's something that you've probably seen on the on my MacBook when I did the unboxing of the MacBook. It had the midnight coloured Apple stickers. Okay, So that's something that's quite new. So that will probably just stay in there. And in here we get our lead to plug into the power supply. Okay, so that's all there is in the box. So I'm just going to set all this stuff over here. Okay, and I'll just pop all this stuff back in here. Okay, all that can just stay in there for when I upgrade next. The next person will get to can have those items. Okay, so I'll just put all this back in here. And now we'll just simply close everything up now. So I'll just close this box up and we'll get a look at the device itself up close. Let's just close this up if we can. Excuse me. There is a bit of pollen in the air today. That's why I sneezed. Alright, let's close this up. Just place it here on the floor. Alright, so now we'll get to looking at the iMac itself. So there's all the accessories. So here's the iMac itself. And it comes wrapped in this nice paper envelope. Okay, so I'll turn him around. Okay, and we'll just pull this off. Okay, and this is all paper, so this you just chuck in your recycling bin. So, okay, and there we have the paper envelope. Okay, so here's the back of the device. Okay, we have our two USB-C ports. Okay, there is one that has 4 ports as well. Okay, and on the back we have our MagSafe port. We have the power button. On this side we have the headphone jack. And on this side here we have a screen protector which says hello. So let's peel this off. Okay, I'll keep that. I'll put that back in the box. And there we have the screen. We have our 1080p FaceTime camera. And there, I do believe I thought there would be plastic around the bezel, but there actually isn't. Okay, I'll just see if I can stand it here on the bed. It's easier to stand up on a hard surface, not a soft surface. So there it is, the iMac 10, okay, with the M3 processor. And this one here has a Retina 4.5K display, okay. And this one here is the silver version. It would have been nice if it was space black, but Apple don't have a space black. Okay, so that is my new iMac. Okay, so that is the iMac iMac 10, the 20 in the silver. So I hope you enjoyed, and that'll be it.